parts of the world. We have a family all over the world, and we are so blessed just to have this time together to pray and this gift of prayer to just commune with God, come before God with confidence that comes from Him also. Welcome to another edition of Pray O'Clock on a wonderful Friday. And we are finishing this series strong, no other gospel. A few things, how a distorted gospel can really appeal, but at the same time, shackle us instead of setting us free. We learned that, this distorted mindset really is something that hinders us to experience the fullness of the promises of God. We might say sometimes that I'm good enough to go to heaven. Maybe you've heard your friends, maybe you've heard some people who will say, I can go to heaven because I'm not that bad. They are bad, I'm not. They are corrupt, I'm not really corrupt. But that's a wrong mindset. Some people might think that since God loves us all, He will bring everyone to heaven, regardless if they believe or not. That's not true. We must put our faith in God. There's a condition to it, but it's a gift that we must receive from Him, not through works, not because we're good people, not because we're obedient children, but because God is a good God who loves and lavishes us with that amazing unconditional love. Some will say, your dead loved ones can be saved if you pray for them and give to the church. This is tied to a tradition, maybe something that we've learned from our ancestors, from a system that we grew up with. That's not true. We cannot really pray for the dead. We can pray for those who are alive and really share the gospel with them. Some will say, Jesus will make me wealthy, successful, and always healthy. It's a name it, claim it kind of faith. No, we don't manifest things because we thought of it. We just trust God. We just wait on what God will provide for us. We don't twist God's arm in prayer. We come before Him asking for His will, His perfect will and purpose for our lives. And some will say, as long as I do this church practices, my leaders will not cancel me and I will go to heaven with them. It's a performance-based mindset. Many people, unfortunately, still think that they can earn their way to God, to heaven, by being approved by the people that they serve with. They are leaders, maybe they're pastors. No, we're not. We are not doing that to be approved. The good works that we do is really a byproduct. It's a fruit of that overflowing love that we already received from God. That's why this topic on the gospel sets us free. That's our focus. Our focus is on the powerful message